back to Skin Talk by SkinAura. I'm 𝗚𝗠𝐵, founder of SkinAura. So in this episode of Skin Talk by SkinAura, we're going to be talking about the power of personalized AI skincare. At SkinAura, we have core beliefs. One is that skincare is sacred and not superficial. Second, women of color deserve tech that centers on or around their needs. Third, that real care includes community and consistency. Fourth, that AI should be used to empower and not replace our skincare routines. And fifth, that the mirror should never be a battleground. So we want you to feel comfortable in your own skin and know that you are supported through the entire SkinAura community. We love the fact that you're here listening to Skin Talk by SkinAura, and please continue to see us as your accountability partner as we continue to move forward on this skincare journey together. This is 𝗚𝗠𝐵, and you've been listening to Skin Talk by SkinAura, where we keep it smart, supportive, and soft. Until next time, take care of your skin, and it'll take care of you. Thanks for spending part of your self-care routine with me. I'm 𝗚𝗠𝐵𝗃𝗏𝗄, SkinAura's founder, and this has been another episode of Skin Talk by SkinAura. This episode was produced by the SkinAura Creative Studio, and we remain grateful to our SkinAura Circle community for inspiring these conversations and supporting our mission to make skincare smarter, more inclusive, and more connected. If you enjoyed today's episode, please leave a review, share it with a friend, and don't forget to scan your skin at SkinAura.ai. See you next time, and until then, take good care of yourself and your skin.